In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download and install IBM Spss Statistics. By the end, you will have the software installed and ready to run, whether you are on Windows or macOS. First, head to the official IBM Spss Statistics page. Here, you can either start a free trial if you are evaluating the software or purchase a subscription if you are ready to commit. Make sure you are on the genuine IBM site and give yourself a stable internet connection and a bit of time. Since the installer can be large, next, you will be prompted to create an IBM ID or sign in to an existing account. This account is needed to access the downloads and manage your license. If you are creating a new account, follow the email verification prompts. Keep your inbox open, check your spam or junk folder if needed, and return to the browser once your email is verified. Now go to the Download section. Choose the installer that matches your operating system Windows or macOS. Confirm you are picking the correct version for your machine, then start the download. It may take a few minutes depending on your connection. While you wait, it's a good idea to close other heavy applications so the installation can run smoothly. When the download completes, open the installation file from your Downloads folder. On Windows, locate the .exe file. Right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. If you see a security prompt, choose Yes to continue. On a Mac, double-click the .pkg or .dmg file to mount it. Then run the installer that appears. Follow the setup wizard step by step. Click Next when prompted and review the license terms. You will need to accept them to continue. When asked where to install, choose the default installation directory unless you have a specific reason to change it. The default path is usually the most reliable and easiest to maintain. Click Install to begin. The installer will extract files and update components, and this part can take several minutes. Avoid putting your computer to sleep or interrupting the process. When it's done, click Finish to complete the installation. You can now launch IBM Spss Statistics from your desktop shortcut on Windows or from the Applications folder on macOS. The first launch may take a little longer as the software initializes. When prompted, choose to activate your trial or your subscription. Sign in with your IBM ID and follow the on-screen instructions to complete activation. Keep your internet connected during this step. That's it. Thanks for watching.